But you make dilution really easy as well. So those dual foamers
Yeah.
are fantastic because you put the cleaner on one side, water on the other, and it dilutes it for you. It's no guessing.
Yeah.
There is just
and
no
wastage.
It's no wastage. It's no guessing. And it foams nicely. They're good bottles. They're quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we've had the odd little one that's had a little crack in it, and we've replaced that immediately.
Yeah.
Because it'll come in like that. So it's and these foam. You know, there's a few ones out there now, but they spray. But we waited, and we got this in for the domestic market.
Yeah.
Because they were wanting us to make ready-to-use Bio-Zyme, and Steve just said no. You're chucking away all that plastic again.
Exactly, that plastic. And so
Yeah.
this is reusable, and that's
cheap.
what. Yeah.
You know, and I think, but you're not harming anything either, as you said. You know, it's I haven't come across anything that it has worked. The only thing I would say that when we foam it onto shiny tiles, and I would say to people, don't let it dry. It's not a spray and walk away or a foam and walk away. It's you put it on, you agitate, and then you hose or wipe off or wash off. Because what happens sometimes is the Bio-Zyme will cut through the residue that's on the tile or on a shiny surface, and then you've got streaking.
Right.
So then you have to clean like mad to get the tiles back.
And it kind of defeats the purpose.
And I've done that. I've had to do that. Oh, yeah.
Would that be the same with windows?
Yes, and we wouldn't foam I foam the outside of the windows with this, with the 1.5 litre foamer. But that's easy because you then get a soft broom and you're doing all around the window frames and all that. But then you're hosing that off.
Yep.
But inside, you can use it on windows and mirrors, but you use it in a sprayer.
Okay.
But we often say, I just use Bio-Zyme to do the cleaning and use a window cleaner.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it's easier.
Well, I guess the dilution rate for Bio-Zyme cleaning windows would be pretty minimal. Like you wouldn't actually, if you were doing the inside of the windows,
You probably should need 30 mils.
Yeah. So